Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Trends. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated launch of the OnePlus 13. The event is just around the corner, happening on January 7th, and we've got all the juicy details you need to know, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about the OnePlus 13 itself. This new flagship phone is set to run on the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, making it one of the first mainstream phones to feature this powerful silicon. With a 6.8-inch OLED panel and up to 4,500 nits of brightness, the display is going to be stunning. Now, let's dive into the camera improvements. The OnePlus 13 will feature 3 rear cameras, each with its own 50-megapixel sensor. The ultra-wide and telephoto lenses have been upgraded from last year's model, promising even better photo quality. Plus, OnePlus continues its partnership with Hasselblad, focusing on enhancing portrait photos with a new algorithm. But that's not all. The OnePlus 13 is also bringing some exciting AI features. From intelligent search to AI-powered photo editing tools, OnePlus is stepping up its game in the AI department. These features will help you find information faster and improve your photos with ease. Battery life is another area where the OnePlus 13 is expected to shine. With a 6,000 mAh battery and the power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, this phone could last even longer than its predecessor, the OnePlus 12, which already had impressive battery life. So, what about the price? While we don't have the exact details yet, we do know that the OnePlus 13 will be available for pre-order with some early bird deals. You can get a $50 discount and a free OnePlus Watch 2R if you prepay $50. Stay tuned for the official pricing announcement during the launch event. That's all for today's video. Are you excited about the OnePlus 13? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.